Want to share files from Android to iPhone? While AirDrop works only within Apple devices, this video shows 6 easy ways to transfer files seamlessly across platforms. Let's get started. Part 1. Can I AirDrop from Android to iPhone? No, AirDrop can't transfer files from Android to iPhone. It's exclusive to Apple devices. However, many alternatives can achieve the same results. Part 2. How to AirDrop from Android to iPhone via USB left bracket quick right bracket. As a professional tool, Mobi can transfer for mobile Windows and Mac. Presents a viable alternative to AirDrop, particularly regarding transfer speed and success rate. After downloading this AirDrop alternative, adhere to the drill below to see how it works. Install the transfer tool on your computer and connect both devices via USB. Follow on-screen instructions to ensure both devices are recognized. If needed, click Flip to set the Android device as the source and iPhone as the destination. Select the data to transfer and click Start Copy to begin. Part 3. How to AirDrop from Android to iPhone without USB. 3.1 via Google Photos. Google Photos is a cloud-based service that enables users to store and access their photos and videos on multiple devices. 3.2 via SnapDrop. As a free, web-based tool for transferring files between Android and iPhone, SnapDrop lets you send photos, videos, and other files easily by visiting the SnapDrop website on both devices. 3.3 via ShareIt. ShareIt is a widely used app for fast, wireless file transfers between Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac using Wi-Fi Direct. It allows easy sharing of photos, videos, and music, though its claimed transfer speeds are disputed. 3.4 via Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere lets you transfer files to iPhone from Android using direct Wi-Fi. Similar to AirDrop, it works globally, allowing unlimited file sharing with a 6-digit code and a 300 megabytes file size limit. 3.5 via messaging apps. Messaging applications such as WhatsApp, Viber, Line, and Telegram are highly effective for file sharing across various platforms, including both Android and Apple devices.